Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to do a weekly analysis of major Forex pairs, commodity, crypto, and indices market. We will look for possible trading setups and also discuss about the confluences that we have in order to support our trading decisions. So first of all, we are going to start with the AUDUSD. As we can see, the price is consistently making lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have the high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, after making this lower low and broken after making this lower low, we are expecting the price to retrace back to this red zone and give us a lower high in order to continue this downtrend. This red zone is going to be a high confluence zone. And why it's a high confluence zone? As you can see, it's a recent broken support zone. Also, we have 20 EMA below 50. That's another confluence. And by the time price retrace back to this zone, we expect 50 EMA to also catch up with the price, which is going to act as another confluence. On the top of that, if we do check Fibonacci retracement from the recent swing high to the swing low, we do see that it's a 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement zone. So we will be waiting for the price to retrace back to this red zone or the yellow circle to look for a possible short opportunity. Next, we are going to talk about the New Zealand USD. Although the price is in a downtrend, but the price has been ranging for a while. So if we start from here, we have the high, low, lower high, lower low, and then we have a lower high. And recently price barely broke below the recent swing low. So, but again, the price retraced back to this range. So still in this range, the price is still in this range, and I'm not quite comfortable to look for any kind of opportunity, long or short, at this moment. I would say that if the price break above the previous high, then we'll look for any kind of opportunity to go long. Otherwise, if the price continue lower and break below the previous low, we'll be waiting for the price to retrace back to this zone and give us a short indication to look for a shorting opportunity. So that's on New Zealand USD. Currently not looking for anything, but I'll be waiting for the price to break out of this zone. So next we are going to talk about the GU. GU consistently making lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. After making this lower low, the price retraced back to this previous broken support zone, and now it's a high confluence zone to look for a shorting opportunity. Why it's a high confluence zone? As we can see, it's a recent broken zone, and it's retested multiple times. So it is going to act as a strong resistance to the price. Also, we can see the price is moving in a channel, so upper trend line of the channel is also acting as a resistance to the price. 20 EMA is already below 50, another confluence, and 20 EMA is also acting as a resistance to the price. So that's another confluence. If we check the Fibonacci retracement from the recent swing high to the recent swing low, then we see it's a 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement zone. Considering all these factors, we see it as a high confluence zone to look for a shorting opportunity. For the entry, we can look for any kind of entry on the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. That can be a candlestick patterns, chart patterns, or like break of structures on the lower time frame to go short. Next, we will talk about the USDCAD. And as we can see, the price is consistently making higher highs, higher lows. Starting from here, we have a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. After making this higher high, and I'm waiting for the price to retrace back to this zone. Although this was also a zone, this was the recent broken zone, but the thing is, this is a more, we can say this is a stronger zone with more confluences. That's why I was not looking for any kind of trading opportunity there, and still waiting for the price to hit this yellow circle zone. And why it's a high confluence zone, we can see it's the beginning point of this uh, strong impulsive wave up. Also, it's a strong zone which has multiple times in the past, so this is going to act as a support to the price. Also, the price is moving in a channel, and the lower trend line of the channel is going to act as a support to the price. We can say 20 EMA is already below 50, that's a confluence, and once the price retraces back to this zone, 50 EMA might also catch up with the price, so that is also going to act as a support to the price. Considering all these factors, we do see it as a high confluence zone in order to look for a long opportunity. Next, we are going to talk about the USDJPY. As we can see, price recently broke below the previous low. Starting from here, we have the high, so high, low, high, and then price broke below the previous low, made a new low. Then okay, retrace back here, that's a lower high, lower low. Now the price retraced back to the same resistance zone which acted as a resistance before, but I'm not looking for a shorting opportunity here, or you can say I'm not much comfortable to look for a shorting opportunity considering these minor support zones on the way. So what I'm waiting for the price to break above this strong resistance zone and give us a break and retest on this zone to look for a long opportunity. So next we will talk about the commodities, and in commodities we will talk about US oil and gold. So first we are going to start with the US oil. As you can see, starting from here, we had the high, higher low, higher high, and the price broke below the previous low. So we are in a recent broken zone, and we might see a kind of rejections that might be minor rejections before going up, or that might be rejections to continue this downtrend, waiting like this. So in any case, we can look for a shorting opportunity on a smaller time frame if we do find to look to short the market. And this is going to be a high confluence zone. As you can see, it's a recent broken zone and retested multiple times, so it's going to act as a very strong resistance zone. Also, we can see from the swing high to the swing low, it's a 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement zone. So we can look for a small shorting opportunity on the lower time frame. Next, we are going to talk about the gold. On the gold, as we can see, the price is was consistently making higher highs, higher lows. Starting from here, we have the high, low, high, high, low, high, high, low, higher high, and the price broke below, and since then the price is ranging or like moving in this way. Currently, I'm not looking for any kind of trading opportunity here in this market until I get a clear directions and the higher high, higher low, or lower low, lower high kind of structures. So for now, nothing on the gold until we find a clear directions. Next, we are going to talk about the SPX 500. This is a part of indices. We are going to discuss about the two indices, SPX 500 and US 30. So first of all, let's talk about the SPX 500. As we can see, the price is consistently making higher highs and higher lows. So we do see it's a high, 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 low, high, high, higher low, higher high, and then we broke below the previous lows. Then we have the higher high, okay, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now the price already broke above the previous high, so we're supposed to make a higher high, and then we'll be waiting for the price to retrace back to this recent broken zone in order to look for a long opportunity. So that's on the SPX 500. Next, we are going to talk about the US 30. For US 30, the price is consistently making higher highs and higher lows, but for a while this has been trending like trading in a range. So I'll be waiting for the price to break out of this zone. Starting from here, suppose if the price break above this range zone, like it's a strong resistance zone, that I'll be waiting for the price to retrace back to this zone and can look for opportunity to go long. We're going to talk about the Bitcoin. As we can see, the price was consistently making lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have a high, low, lower high, and lower low. And since then, the price is ranging between this red zone and the green zone. For now, if the price break below this lower low, we'll be having a lower low, then we'll be waiting for a lower high back into this recent broken zone to continue downward. Otherwise, the second possibility is starting from here, it had high low, lower high, lower low. Because the price is in a range, so another possibility can be if the price break above it and give us some more structures like higher highs and higher low, then we can start looking for long opportunity. So for now, nothing. I'm still waiting for the price to break out of this range, and accordingly, depending upon the directions of the breakout, we can look for possible trading opportunities. So that's it, friends. This was the analysis on the Forex, crypto, commodity, and indices markets. I hope you liked the video, and if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.